After locating Lockwood as the writer that I liked, I set out to find a text by her that hadn't been previously talked about very much in the literary world. And the one that I came across was How I Helped to Settle the Shirtwaist Strike in Philadelphia, which was published in 1909, which is not exactly 19th century, but I figured it would work because the shirtwaist strike in Philadelphia happened in the 19th century, and this was written after the fact, written about that time. And it's not too far off in terms of when it was published, so I figured that would work. Anyway, I was doing some reading on Lockwood's background and her campaign and beliefs in an article by GW Today called In Her Own Words, the First Female Candidate for President. And both that website and her Wikipedia page cite Swarthmore College as where they have the bigger collection of Lockwood's works and works written about her. And so I went to Swarthmore College's website that has all these papers and was reading through the titles and looking things up that had been talked about from a literary criticism perspective or cited elsewhere. And a lot of the stuff that was written about her had to do with her career as a lawyer. But then I came across some things that she wrote that weren't as widely recognized, such as How I Helped to Settle the Shirtwaist Strike in Philadelphia. But the problem with that was I could not find the digital text itself, or I didn't have access to it. I checked a couple different databases such as JSTOR, MLA International Bibliography, and I think it's called Literary Criticism, those databases, and none of them had anything really about this text in particular, so it was like, jackpot, found one, except I can't find the text. So I contacted the curator at Swarthmore College and asked if they would be able to send me a copy of the text. And she emailed me back within less than a day and said that they don't have a digitized copy of that text in particular yet, but that she would scan it over to me, and she did. So I have this photo of the text that I'm assuming Lockwood typed herself, which is really cool. And it had that aha factor as well, that my group and I have this text, or this piece of text from this writer, that not many people have other than the people at Swarthmore College, so that was pretty cool. And that was found in Series 2 of her collection at Swarthmore College. I believe Series 1 was works written about her and her writing, and then Series 2 has the things that she wrote herself.